Hello and welcome to this special journey. Today I am thrilled to guide you through a unique dance-along experience, an Irish-inspired movement exploration that embodies the spirit of creativity and freedom. I'm Megan Bloom, the founder of Eternal Dancers, a platform dedicated to inspiring, empowering, and equipping you to unleash your inner eternal dancer. So, as we celebrate the vibrancy of March and the joy of St. Patrick's Day, this is an adventure that you could call dance improvisation or a creative movement journey. It's about embracing embodied dance to connect with your whole being through a somatic experience. You don't need to know what that means to have a lot of fun. All you need is the willingness and excitement to join in on this one-of-a-kind movement experience, which is Irish-inspired, yet requires no prior knowledge of Irish dancing or Celtic folk dance. I personally haven't yet traveled to Ireland, but my connection to its rich cultural tapestry has always been strong. Back in high school, I studied and performed Irish step, both soft shoe and hard shoe styles, and those rhythms have stayed with me. The captivating charm of Celtic melodies and Gaelic stories called to me, and I couldn't be more excited to share this dance adventure with you today. Whether you're a trained dancer or just someone who enjoys moving to music, this journey is crafted for you. So let's release expectations, immerse ourselves in the present moment, and let the charm of rich Irish culture guide us toward new heights of expression and freedom. So, are you ready to step into this Celtic magic and embrace your infinite creativity? I hope so. Before we begin, I must share a brief disclaimer. This dance experience is designed for the enjoyment and personal expression, so by participating, you acknowledge that you are doing so at your own risk. Please ensure that you are in a safe space, listen to your body, and modify any movements as needed to suit your individual comfort level. Let's get started. Let me paint a picture for you so that no matter where you are, you can join me on the green isle that inspires our dreams. Imagine a world where possibilities are endless and together we transform into birds, light and free, gliding through the skies of Ireland. As we soar, the landscapes unfold beneath us like a wondrous tapestry. We ride the rhythm of the wind over lush green fields and gently rolling hills, where nature's beauty stretches as far as the eye can see. The distant sound of the ocean waves beckons us, carrying us toward the majestic cliffs that stand sentinel against the sea, their towering heights echoing stories of old. A playful twist in our journey brings us through whispering forests where dappled sunlight dances upon the leaves, guiding us along a winding river glistening under the brilliant sun. Here, nature sings a song of serenity, each note inviting us to explore further. Suddenly, a rainbow appears, arching across the sky in a vibrant bridge of colors, inviting us to follow its path. We decide to land, feeling the gentle pull of the earth calling us home. Gently, we touch down in a tranquil meadow where wildflowers sway in a breezy dance and the world is bathed in a soft golden light. In this magical place, we feel our human bodies once more, grounded and connected with the earth beneath us. With open hearts and imaginative spirits, we are ready to embark on a movement journey that celebrates the essence of the Green Isle and the eternal dancer within us all. Now that we find ourselves grounded in this tranquil meadow, let's begin our journey with a moment of stillness. Close your eyes and take a deep, purposeful breath in, filling your lungs with refreshing air. Hold your breath for a moment, then release it slowly, feeling any tension melt away with each exhale. As you continue to breathe deeply and gently, let your awareness scan through your body, starting at the top of your head. Notice any sensations without judgment as you slowly move your attention down, softening your forehead, relaxing your jaw, and easing the tension in your shoulders. Let this wave of relaxation travel down your arms, chest, abdomen, releasing any tightness you may find. Relax your hips, relax your knees. Feel your connection to the earth beneath you, your feet firmly planted, yet light and ready to move. As you breathe, set a personal intention for this experience, perhaps to embrace joy, let go of expectations, or simply to have fun. Hold this intention gently in your heart as you prepare to move. Now imagine yourself at a lively village fair, surrounded by the joyous sounds of fiddles. Start by softly bending your knees and gently bouncing to the rhythm, feeling the buoyancy in your legs. Let this simple motion awaken your connection to the ground beneath you as you sync with the lively beat. Picture yourself dancing lightly on the earth, tapping along with the music. Gently roll your shoulders up toward your ears and then back down, releasing any remaining tension. Imagine the weight of the world melting away as your shoulders move in graceful circles, freeing your upper body. Now, bring a playful sway to your hips, side to side, as if mimicking the rolling hills you've just envisioned. Allow the movement to ripple through your body, loosening your waist and inviting a sense of fluidity. Extend your arms outward, imagining the gentle breeze of the open field brushing against your skin. As you lift your arms and sway them with the music, feel the freedom in your joints, as if you are an eagle soaring through the Irish sky. Next, invite your feet to join the dance, starting with small, playful skips on the spot. Envision the spirited steps of a traditional Irish jig, letting your feet tap the ground with lightness and joy. As your feet become more comfortable, allow them to explore the space around you with tapping, skipping, or playful kicks. Whatever feels natural and fun. Engage your core with gentle twists from side to side, imagining the twists and turns of a babbling brook. Feel how your center supports your balance as your journey through movement continues. Feel the energy flowing through your entire body. Your feet are alive. Your heart is light. And you are ready to dive into the full expression of your eternal dancer. With your body warmed and your spirit lifted by the vibrant rhythms, let's continue our journey deeper into the heart of Ireland. Allow the music to lead you as we explore this magical land through movement and imagination. Picture yourself moving along the edge of a serene lake, where the surface mirrors the sky's endless blue. As you move, let your arms sway gently at your sides, your fingers skimming the air as if tracing patterns on water. Whether you are taking steps or simply shifting your weight, allow your movement to reflect the calmness and tranquility of the scene. Your movements have led you to an ancient stone circle, its timeless grandeur whispering stories of old. Let your movements become grounded and deliberate, mirroring the solidity and history of the stones. Take wide, sweeping movements, feeling the earth firm beneath you. This can be as expansive or contained as your space allows, adapting each gesture to fit your surroundings. Now imagine a meadow filled with dancing wildflowers. Allow your body to mimic their gentle swaying in the wind. Let your arms open wide, reaching up and out like the sunlit petals, longing to touch the sky. Each movement an expression of natural, unrestrained beauty. As you journey onward, find yourself in a vibrant marketplace, alive with laughter and music. Let your feet playfully tap and shuffle on the ground, echoing the dynamic steps of an Irish jig. Feel free to spin and twirl, weaving in and out of imagined stalls, experiencing the delightful chaos and the merry camaraderie. Next, visualize a tranquil glen, where a crystal clear stream winds its way through lush greenery. Allow your movements to echo the rhythm of running water, soft, flowing, uninterrupted. Dance with the fluidity of water, experimenting with cascading motions like ripples spreading outward. As the music swells, imagine you are standing atop a windswept cliff overlooking the vast expanse of ocean. With every breath, feel the wind's embrace and allow it to guide your movements into larger, expansive gestures. Spread your arms wide as if catching the breeze, embracing the freedom of the open sky. Finally, as the dance draws to a close, return to the serene meadow where we began. Allow your movements to slow, grounding you once again to the earth beneath. Take a moment to reflect on the journey you've just experienced, the stories told through your dance, and the connection to the land and its magic. As we bring this journey to a close, I hope you have felt the joy and well-being that dance and embodied movement can bring. Here at Eternal Dancers, it's all about helping you release self-judgments and tap into that part of yourself that longs to move and express yourself freely. Dance is a celebration, a release, and a connection to who you truly are. If you have enjoyed this experience and want more, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. If you want to access a really cool free guided movement experience designed to help you liberate yourself from stress, who can't use some of that? Just type, "I am ready to renew and unburden" in the comments below, and I will make sure to respond with a special link for you. Remember how I mentioned that I haven't yet physically traveled to Ireland, although I have visited many times in my imagination? Well, when I do make that journey someday, I would love to share it with others who are eager to explore the Green Isle. Imagine experiencing the culture, learning its history, visiting its magical places, and dancing your way through it with me. If this sort of trip calls to you, please type "Let's go Ireland" in the comments. So I guess that means if you would like to access that special free guided movement experience made for stress relief, and you would like to go to Ireland with me in the future, then say, "Let's relax and go to Ireland." Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, may your days be filled with the music of life, the dance of possibilities, and the luck of the Irish. So in Irish, I'm going to wish you good health by saying "Slánta."